Bless these waters so fresh and so free. As they flow through our Mother Earth, they flow through you and me. Bless these waters so fresh and so free. As they flow through our Mother Earth, they flow through you and me. Bless these waters so fresh and so free. Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caro and today I'm sharing with you a little wellness retreat that I recently went to. I also want to say that this video was sponsored by Organic Basics, which is an amazing sustainable clothing brand, and I will share more about them later today. A few weeks ago, my friends Roxy and Vivian put together a wellness retreat in upstate New York. I decided to come here because with everything going on in the world, I think one of the most important things we can do nowadays is come back to our natural rhythms in order to feel strong, understand our purpose in life, be able to show up, be able to be of service to our community, to our families, and to ourselves. The first few days, I decided to just be in solitude, be in nature, be with myself, in order to re-understand my natural rhythms, in order to rest, to reconnect with my body, with the waters, and give gratitude for everything that I have. This retreat was focused in doing yoga, in drinking cacao, but most of all, it was focused on reconnecting us with our natural rhythms, with nature, with giving gratitude, and with learning to love our community. I give gratitude for the waters, for its fluidity, its creativity, its hydration. I give thanks to the earth for supporting us, and the fire for showing us how we can burn everything in order to transmute it. I give thanks for understanding the importance that it has to spend time alone, hearing myself, reconnecting with my body. I give thanks for community, especially community that thinks different than I do, so I can learn not only from their ideas, but also from my own. I give gratitude for the foods, for the laughs, for the intuition. It had been a minute since I went out hiking, since I was able to breathe fresh air. It had been a minute since I was able to look at the earth that surrounds us, that holds us, that is always ever growing with all its living little creatures. To just dance in nature and dance for nature. Being in nature really helps me re-understand my purpose in the world and why it is important to show up for myself, for all living creatures, for my community, for everyone that is struggling. How can I be of service to others? How can I inspire, nourish, share, and teach others? How much space am I doing in my day-to-day life in order to receive what others have to offer? I thank Roxy for her guidance in the asanas, for her medicine music, for the conversations, and showing us the path in the hikes. I thank Viv for guiding us through such amazing cacao ceremonies throughout this retreat, for her music, for her words, and for being ever inspiring with her gratitude towards nature. I give gratitude to all the beings that I met in this retreat, for accepting me as I am, for sharing their stories, their truth, and their steps with me. I thank the fungi kingdom, the moon, the sun, the plants, our feet. I thank the ever-growing nature and flowers for being such beautiful radiance of high frequency. These 5 days were magic, and spending time not only reconnecting with oneself, with community, but also making so much space to give gratitude and make offerings to the natural world. I wish you nature. I wish you time to reconnect with your body, with your own natural rhythms, and re-understand the nature, the rhythms of our Mother Earth. I thank food for nourishing us, for the people that cook it, for the farmers that made us able to eat, and for nature, for animals just being around us, guiding us, protecting us all the time, even when we don't see it, even when we don't have the time or we don't make the time in order to reconnect with nature. It's there, holding us wherever we are. Now I would love to share with you a bit about Organic Basics, which is today's video sponsor. Organic Basics is a sustainable clothing brand based in Europe. They sent me a few of their garments a few months ago, and I've been loving and wearing these pieces non-stop. So what does being a sustainable clothing brand mean? It means they only work with environmentally friendly fabrics, they only partner with responsible and transparent factories, and they design products for longevity. Organic Basics uses GOTS certified cotton. The GOTS certifications means that all materials, factories, production process, and the final product is living up to the highest organic and fair workplace standards. No chemical fertilizers, pesticides, or modified cotton seeds are used in their production. Most of the products I got from them are made with Tencel and Silvertech. So Tencel is an eco-friendly and biodegradable fiber made from responsibly sourced wood pulp. And Silvertech Active is our workout clothing line, which is made from 93% recycled nylon and has odor control built into it. You can learn more about their impact on their website, and we are offering you 10% of your next order. You can find my discount code on the video's description box, and their shipping is carbon neutral. So thank you Organic Basics for sponsoring today's video. Thank you for watching. If you loved this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. Feel free to subscribe to my Instagram. I also post a lot there. And make sure to check out Organic Basics. We're giving you a sweet discount code, so just check my description box, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!